Hi, I'm Selena, an educator with 20 years of teaching experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we will focus on the FTCE Middle Grades Social Science 5 through 9 038 exam, specifically the Knowledge of Geography section. You'll review key geographic concepts like maps, spatial relationships, human-environment interaction, and the physical and cultural features of regions. Let's get started and build the skills you need to succeed on the exam. What demonstrates political interdependence between regions? A, the global trade of coffee. B, the exchange of students for study abroad programs. C, the sharing of international security responsibilities by NATO members. Or D, the spread of pop culture globally. A, global trade of coffee is incorrect. This shows economic interdependence, not political. B, exchange of students is incorrect. This is an example of cultural or educational exchange, not political cooperation. D, spread of pop culture is incorrect. This reflects cultural globalization, not shared political responsibility. The correct answer is C, the sharing of international security responsibilities by NATO members. This is a clear example of political interdependence as the member nations rely on each other for mutual defense. What is the term of the mental cognitive process of imagining or visualizing the physical location or layout of a specific place or environment? A, cognitive mapping. B, cartographic association. C, geographic association. Or D, spatial association. B, cartographic association is incorrect. This refers to map making or reading. C, geographic association is incorrect. This is a general term and doesn't specifically describe mental mapping. D, spatial association is incorrect. This describes how things are connected in space, not how we mentally picture them. The correct answer is A, cognitive mapping. It refers to the mental process used to acquire, code, store, recall, and decode information about relative locations and attributes of phenomena in one's everyday spatial environment. What is a key factor influencing the level of economic development in the Middle East? A, limited natural resources. B, abundant oil reserves. C, high rates of illiteracy. Or D, limited access to sea routes. A, limited natural resources is incorrect. This is not true for the Middle East, which is rich in oil, a major natural resource. C, high rates of illiteracy is incorrect. While education varies across the region, it is not the main driver of economic development. D, limited access to sea routes. This is incorrect. The Middle East has access to major sea routes like the Persian Gulf and the Suez Canal. The correct answer is B, abundant oil reserves. The Middle East region is known for its abundant oil reserves, which significantly contribute to the region's economic development. The export of petroleum and petroleum products is a major source of income for these countries. Which type of lines indicate how far east or west one is from the prime meridian? A, latitude. B, altitude. C, amplitude. Or D, longitude. A, latitude is incorrect. These lines run east-west and measure how far north and south you are from the equator. B, altitude is incorrect. This measures height above sea level. C, amplitude is incorrect. This is a science or sound term. The correct answer is D, longitude. Lines of longitude run either east or west from the prime meridian. Lines of longitude are vertical. Thanks for working through some problem questions with me. For more practice, check out our FTCE Middle Grades Social Science 5 through 9 038 playlist. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.